We're here to take a look at one of the most interesting items.
How much money do you really have in your pocket? A $204,000 penny found by a teenager. A $10,000 coin found in a Cheerios box. And an $18,000 penny found by one of our viewers.
That has recently been sold, a 1971 new 1-penny coin. Now, you might be thinking, what's so special about a penny? Well, this particular penny is unique because it was never released into circulation. It was part of a trial batch of coins that was created by the Royal Mint in 1971, and only a handful of them exist today. And that's because it was stored in a private collection for over 50 years. So, how much is this coin worth? Well, at the recent Heritage Auction sale, it sold for a whopping £82,000, or roughly $113,000 USD. That's a pretty penny, indeed. This 1971 new 1-penny coin is a testament to the enduring value and fascination of rare coins. UK 1-penny coin from 1998 and its value at the Heritage Auction. Now, let's move on to the value of this coin. As with any coin, the value is largely dependent on its rarity and condition. In the case of the 1998 UK 1-penny coin, it is not particularly rare, with millions of these coins produced. However, if you have a coin in pristine condition, it could still fetch a good price at auction. In fact, in a recent auction held by Heritage Auctions, a UK 1-penny coin from 1998 sold for £600,500. That's quite a significant amount for a coin that's only 25 years old. This goes to show that even relatively modern coins can hold value if they're in great condition. About the UK 5 new Pence 1979 coin and its value at Heritage Auction. The UK 5 new Pence coin was introduced in 1968 and was in circulation until 1990 when it was demonetized. The 1979 coin we have here features a design by William Gardner, which depicts a crowned thistle and the word Scotland. Now, let's take a look at its value at Heritage Auction. As you can see on the website, the estimated value of this coin is $300,000. The value of this coin is influenced by several factors, such as its rarity, condition, and historical significance. While the 1979 5 new Pence coin is not particularly rare, it is still a sought-after piece among collectors. In fact, a collector who is interested in this coin might be willing to pay much more than its estimated value. This particular coin has been well preserved, with its intricate details and clear markings still visible. If you're interested in selling or buying a UK 5 new Pence 1979 coin, Heritage Auction is a great place to start. They offer a wide range of coins and other collectibles, as well as expert appraisals and auctions. Have you ever heard of quarter roll hunting? It's the act of searching through rolls of coins for valuable and rare coins. Today, we're going to talk about a specific coin that's worth hunting for, the 1984 $quarter lamination error. Now, you might be wondering what a lamination error is. Essentially, it's a defect that occurs during the minting process where a layer of the coin's surface separates from the rest of the coin. This can create unique and valuable coins that are worth much more than their face value. And that's exactly what happened with some of the 1984 quarter dollars. Some of them have a lamination error that makes them incredibly valuable to collectors. So, how do you find these valuable coins? The first step is to get your hands on some rolls of quarters. You can get these from your bank or local coin shop. Next, you'll want to start searching through the coins one by one, looking for any that might have a lamination error. It's important to use a magnifying glass or loupe to examine the coins closely, as the errors can be quite small and difficult to spot. But if you do find one, it can be worth a significant amount of money. In fact, some lamination error quarters have sold for thousands of dollars at auction. So, how do you know if your coin is valuable? You'll want to do some research online to see what similar coins have sold for. Websites like PCGS and NGC are great resources for determining coin value in this condition, $32,000. And there you have it. Quarter roll hunting for the 1984 quarter dollar lamination era. It's a fun and exciting way to potentially make some extra money while also adding unique and valuable coins to your collection.
The one dime 2002D, and we couldn't resist diving into its value and heritage. The one dime 2002D coin was minted in Denver and holds significant value due to a rare minting error. As you can see, the letter D, representing the Denver Mint, is slightly misaligned on some of these coins. This error adds to the coin's collectible appeal and drives up its value. The misalignment of the D mint mark on the one dime 2002D coin is indeed a sought-after error in the collecting community. Let's talk about the value of this coin. Recently, a one dime 2002D coin with the misaligned mint mark was sold at a Heritage Auctions event. Bidders were eagerly competing for the opportunity to add this rare coin to their collection. The final hammer price for this coin was an astonishing $7,000. Yes, you heard it right, $7,000 for a single dime. This just goes to show the incredible value and demand that the one dime 2002D coin holds in the coin collecting world. Now, you might be wondering if you have this valuable coin in your own collection. Well, take a closer look at your dimes from 2002, particularly those minted in Denver. Check if the D mint mark is slightly misaligned, as that could be an indication of the rare variety we discussed.